Last but not least, let's talk about data. One example will be in your cleaning area. How can Tetra Pak Factory OS help you achieve your sustainability goals? If we start from waste, it's quite straightforward that if we automate some processes or we guide the operators on how to do it, we will achieve a reduction of mistakes, and that will lead to a reduction in waste, both products and materials. Also on this topic, if you're able to optimize your sampling plan, that will mean that you're going to be able to reduce the number of samples that you take, and that will also contribute to a reduction of waste. The second way is about reducing energy consumption. And this we can achieve it by providing you with a scheduling tool that will help you synchronize the different areas of your factory, and that will avoid having equipment standing still waiting for others to be ready. Last but not least, let's talk about data. One example will be in your cleaning area, for instance. The first time we deliver to you the plant, we can define together with you what is the golden cleaning. That means that's going to be the benchmark against which we can compare every time that you repeat your cleaning, and we can find ways to optimize it and reduce consumption and resources.